do. So you can wear your lip like so, matte, or you just apply lip gloss and take it to the next level. All right, let's do it together. Next slide. I usually would like to start by moisturizing my lips with a lip balm, then follow it with a peach, or you call it cream looking lip stain. This is from OMBRE. And afterwards I fold my lips together and bring in a brown pencil, slide it back and forth, and then I do this effect that I smack my lip like so. Then I use this OMBRE powder palette, another cream color or peach. I apply that so that it kind of takes off the moisture, because we're going for a matte look first of all, and then smack. Then I follow in with a brown shade of powder from the powder palette, from the OMBRE powder palette, just to enhance and outline the lips like I am doing. Then continuously I remember to smack. Then go back now again with my lip stain, just so that it doesn't look too dry and cakey at the end of the day, and I continue to smack. So if you smack, your lip stain will last longer. Next thing I do is I go back to make sure that the outline is neat with my brown pencil, so that we do not have any spillovers that will not blend properly. I don't know if I'm making sense. I hope I am. Now I love to use my foundation. I think sometimes preferably a darker shade, but this just works for me. So fold your lips again and back and forth, left and right, left and right. So what are you doing? You're taking off the excess from the brown. See what I mean? It helps you to highlight in a very, very easy step. So I come in with a fluff brush, which is also a OMBRE brush, to make all of the mess neat. So we are working to achieve the perfect, subtle and natural lip look by embracing the beauty of nude shades. And there you have it. Do not forget to keep blending until you do not have any excess foundation spill left on your lips. Then you come back with your brown pencil to outline your highlights, and your lip is gonna look so good like so. I want you to imagine, just envision my hands guiding you through this seamless process. Yes, yes, yes. We have just explored the matte format, unveiling its sophisticated charm. Moving on to the next second option, which is basically lining your lip with the brown pencil, but instead of folding your lips and running your brush back and forth with the foundation, you just slightly fold your lips like I'm doing in this video, and follow your brush gently with your foundation on it, and then you begin to blend and spread the excess foundation to the rest of your lip area, your chin area, and there you have it. This is just amazing. Honestly, there are tricks that will elevate your look from one level to another. Basically, I curated this easy to follow techniques. I hope as you are watching, they seem truly easy to follow techniques. Now I'm coming in with my brush that has brown powder on it. I do not add any extra brown powders, just outlining the brown lining of the lips. There you have it. In this video, I have shared secrets and techniques that have been curated by me, the beauty food chick. Especially that first technique. Trust me, you haven't seen it anywhere. So I have a couple of videos where you can see step by step on how to achieve your lips with that curated technique. See it somewhere here. All right, next slide. I have made it classy, easy, and quick. So I gave you two options. Let me know which of the options you prefer and which do you think is an easy one. All right, let's continue. I have more. So you can wear your lip like so, matte, or you just apply lip gloss and take it to the next level. All right, let's do it together. Next slide. Now let's dive into a touch of allure as we add a hint of lip gloss, elevating your look from one level to another, creating that va-va-voom effect. Yes, so this is exactly how I apply my lip gloss, at the tip of my lips, like so. Same action to the top and the bottom of my lip, gently applying so that there is no excess outside of the lip. Then now do not smear. If you smear, you're gonna mess all of that arrangement. Remember, this transformative power of these techniques I have shared with you is going to take your lip game to new heights. If you like to have more effect, just go in with a second application, and there you have it, dearest human. Quick, easy, and beautiful. That is all I have for you today. I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.